Hi everyone, welcome to Shines. You have probably come here to know the real reason why we procrastinate. So let me get straight into the point. The real definition of procrastination usually means you never actually start or you never get started. There is something that is holding you back. That is nothing but procrastination. It is also the inability to finish something you started. This is also a form of procrastination. Never getting started and never finishing what you started. You know what? Procrastination is a bad habit. It is the habit of putting off important, less pleasurable tasks by doing something that's easier or more pleasurable. Just like you have your homework to complete or a chapter to complete for the upcoming test. But who wants to go through all the pain of studying and learning the concepts? Using the brain and all of the energy in such painful tasks. Instead, you choose to utilize that time to enjoy the pleasure of scrolling through Instagram or Facebook, or in fact binge watching your favorite web series on Netflix. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Netflix and food of course are the best friend of a procrastinator. If I talk about the real science, then it's all about rewiring of the brain, the nervous system, while growing up. Since childhood to whatever age you are right now, we have rewired our brain in such a way that we look forward to something that can give us quick happiness, quick pleasure, quick satisfaction. We all want happiness. We all want to be happy. But we can't wait. We don't have the patience which is required for a long-term happiness. So instead we choose to look forward which can give us instant happiness. Something which is a short-term pleasure, but in the long term it can be painful. You know that if you exercise, you will be in pain for some time. But if you keep doing it regularly, in the long term, you will become fit and healthy. Your brain has been rewired to avoid all those kinds of pain and instead eating snacks and fast foods which can give you taste and pleasure is more fun. So these snacks, these fast food can give you short-term happiness, quick happiness, but in the long term you will be suffering through so much. So it's all in there, in the brain. And you know what? The brain is always changing. So you can use this to rewire it again and become the master of productivity and can get rid of procrastination. But to be honest with you, no one in this world can defeat procrastination. Everyone procrastinates to some extent. And if anyone claims to do so, that he or she has defeated this procrastination, they are probably lying. We can only limit, avoid and decrease the amount of procrastinating. It's just normal. It only becomes a problem when it's too much, and too much of anything is dangerous. So if you want to get rid of this procrastination, this bad habit, then what you need to do is look towards long-term happiness. If anything is giving you pain or pleasure, ask yourself a question. Is this a short-term pain? Is this a short-term pleasure? This will cause me long-term pain or this will cause me long-term happiness, long-term pleasure. And if the answer is short-term pain but long-term pleasure, then go for it. But if deep down you know the truth that it is short-term pleasure but in the long term it will be so much painful, so do not go for it. Control your mind. Be the master of your mind and control it. Not be the slave of your mind and get controlled by it. So this was all about the science of procrastination. If this video has added any sort of value in your life, then please let me know your thoughts in the comment section and share this video with your friends who you think might need this. Consider subscribing to watch more such videos on lifestyle and personal growth. Thank you so much guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.